I want to look at this mid-sagittal head here and identify some structures with the nervous system. So to get started with, we're going to ID some bones here, some flat bones of the skull. So right here we have the frontal bone. Here's your frontal bone. Here's the parietal bone right here. And here would be the occipital bone. Ethmoid bone would be right in here. And then right here, this blue stuff, this would be the dura mater. Dura mater. Now, this whole structure right here, this whole structure, all of it, would be the cerebrum. All this would be the cerebrum. And we have the cerebellum right here. So all this would be the cerebrum. And this would be the cerebellum right here. Now, we have this structure right here. That would be the thalamus. Now this triangle portion, which the probe is circling, that would be the hypothalamus. So this area right here would be the thalamus and then the hypothalamus. So this area right here would be the thalamus and hypothalamus. We have the infundibulum right here. So maybe I should get closer here. So the thalamus and hypothalamus, in this area I'm circling here. Infundibulum and then pituitary gland. Corpus callosum right here. Corpus callosum. And we have the fornix right there. Now, we have this structure right here between the corpus callosum and the fornix. That structure is called the clear septum or septum pellucidum. That's a thin membrane that separates the lateral ventricles. So, corpus callosum, fornix, clear septum. And we have the anterior commissure right here. Middle commissure right here. And posterior commissure right here. Anterior, middle, and posterior commissure. Cerebral peduncle right here. Cerebral peduncle is going to connect the cerebrum to the brainstem. So here's your cerebral peduncle right here. Optic chiasm right here. Optic chiasm right here. Remember, that's the pituitary gland. This is the infundibulum. And pineal body. This structure right here. Pineal body, this structure right here. Corpora quadrigimana. This structure right here. It includes the superior and inferior caliculi. So this structure right here would be the corpora quadrigimana, or the quadrigimal plate. Now this aqueduct right here is the cerebral aqueduct. Cerebral aqueduct. Fourth ventricle is right here. Pons, and then medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the second hump. Pons, and then medulla oblongata. Remember, this structure right here is the cerebral peduncle, pons, and then medulla oblongata. Spinal cord here.